Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Thursday, January the 16th, 2025. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, and the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. And in today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 Jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Cyberblock, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now but in the evening. News of today, well, ceasefire. Yeah, there's a ceasefire between Hamas and Israel. Well, they are happy. Ceasefire for 6 weeks. Well, I believe last time they have also a ceasefire for 2 weeks, I believe, or 1 week, I don't know. But the war is still going on. So I'm a little bit pessimistic. Anyway, let me start with this one. The 3 star Sudoku number 9913. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Well, usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 27. Should be a 1 star puzzle. 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 3 stars. For a 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 3 stars or 1 star puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the well, 6 in this third row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, first row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Need a 7 here, okay. 8 and a 2. Come on, 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, 2. 2, 2. Alright, 7. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 1. We have 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers to 1 and 8. We have 1 and 8 in this column, so no 1 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2 and 3. 4 is missing, and 5, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 4 goes there. 7. Then let me see. How about the 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in the first column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5, the 6, 5, and 6. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the second column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. All right. Then let me see. How about need a 4 there. How about the 1 in this column, the 1 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there we have a 1 in the third row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1, 3, 9, 3, 9, okay. Then 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 in these 3 boxes. We have 3 in this column. No 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3, 3. Okay. 7. Need a 5 there. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 1, 2, 3. Need a 4. 3 missing numbers in the middle column. One of the missing number is a 4. Well, here came a 4. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. Here came a 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. So the only place left for 4 in the middle column should be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the first row, so both 3 in the second row. The only 2 places left for 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the third row, so row 3 in the second row. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left now in the second row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means the other pair in the third row are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, need a 5 there. Need a 6 there. Need a 7 there. Come on, come on, come on. Need a 1 here. We have a pair in this row. 3 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 and a 3 in this row. We have a no 1 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 and a 3 in the middle row. So no 1 and a 3 in these 3 boxes. So 2 boxes left in this big square for the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So 1 digit left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places left, 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and the 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left now in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 8 and 5, we have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column, so the column 3, only 2 places left for 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 in the row below, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Then need an 8 here. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in the middle column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in the last row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 3, 3, 3. Okay. Well, still I need a 6 there. 1, 3, and 9. These 3 missing numbers in the middle row are the numbers: the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 6, 7, 8. And look, we have 6 and 7 in this column, so only 6 and 7 in this box. 6 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 8. Need 8 here. 1 and the 3. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about yeah. I need a 1 here. And I need, come on. What's happening? 9, 3, 1, 6, 7. Need a 7 here also. And I need a, let me put some numbers. No. Yeah, let me put some numbers. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So that row, only 2 places left. 7 could be here, could be there. We have a 9 in this last row, 9 in that row. So the row between, only 2 places left. 9 could be here, could be there. We have a 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left. 1 could be here, could be there. And let me see. These 3 missing numbers. Oh wait, 2 and a 9 overlooked. We have a 9 here. So this can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9 and this box should be a 2. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 1 box left now in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8 in this last row, 8 in the row above. So that row, only 2 places left. 8 goes together with the 7 as a pair. 8 and 7, 8 and 7. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 7 goes there. 6 and a 7, we have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 6 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 6 goes there. 6 in the last row, 6 in that row, so the row between the only 2 places left. The 6 goes together with the 9 as a pair. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 9 goes there. 9 and 3, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 3 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. And final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Double check. 1, 2, 2, 2. Correct in 12 minutes. Well, we solve it again. 4 stars. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Let me give this a 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 30 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Thank you very much for watching. See you then. Bye-bye for now.